Question is f of x is given and g of x is given. You have to find f g of 6. Okay, so first find g of 6. What will be g of 6? It means in g put 6. So it will become 6 square, which will be 36. Yes. Now you have to find f g of 6. It means put g6 inside f. So here you have to write g of 6. Now put the value of g of 6. It will be 2 into 36 plus 3, which is 72 plus 3. So 72 plus 3 will be 75. Okay, next part is saying solve g f of x. First find g f of x. Then we will put it equal to 100. Okay. Now what will be g f of x? It means inside the g write f of x. That is f of x square, because this is your g of x. So in this one, in place of x, you have to write fx. Okay, then what is the value of fx? It is 2x plus 3 square. Now, according to the question, you have to put g f of x equal to 100 because we are going to solve this one. Now, what is the value of g f of x? This is 2x plus 3 square. And the other side is equal to 100. Now, you have to find x, so you need to get rid of this square. To get rid of this square, take square root on both sides. Take square root on this side. Take square root on this side. The square and square root will cancel. On this side, you will be left with 2x plus 3 equal to, whenever you take square root, you will always get plus minus. Square root of 10 is 100 is 10. So now you have two options. Option number 1 is 2x plus 3 equal to 10. Option number 2 is you will put 2x plus 3 equal to minus 10. These are the two options. So from here, okay, take 3 to the other side. It will be 2x will be equal to 10 minus 3. 2x will be equal to 7. And what x will be? X will be 7 over 2. And for this one, okay, take 3 to the other side. It's 2x equal to minus 10 minus 3. 2x will be equal to minus 13. Now take 2 to the other side, so x will be equal to minus 13 over 2. So these are the two possible values for this one. Okay. Got it? The next inverse function, obviously we have to do inverse. So then we will, this one is also related to inverse function, so we will do it there. Okay, next one is you have to find f g of 5. When f of x is given 5x plus 4, g of x is equal to this one and h of x is this. First you have to find f g of 5. So let's first find g of 5. What is the meaning of g of 5? It means in place of x, write 5. This is your rule. So it will be 1 over 2 into 5. It is 1 over 10. Now find f g of 5. Now in place of, in the function f, put g5. Okay, so here you have to write g5. 5 into g of 5 plus 4. What is g of 5? G of 5 is 1 over 10 plus 4. So you can simplify that one. This is 5 over 10 plus 4. That will give you 9 over 2. Or you can say 4.5. Part B is find g of x. Okay, we have to find g of x. It means put g inside the g. All right, this is your g. So here you have to write g first. It will be 1 over 2 into g of x. Wherever you will have x, you will write gx. That is its meaning. So 1 over 2, no, write the value of gx. It is 1 over 2x. 2 will cancel with 2. This will become 1 over x. This is denominator, so it will go up. It will become x over 1, which is just x. Okay. Next one, inverse function. Obviously, when we will do the inverse function, so we'll do it. Next part is part D. You have to solve h of x equal to 8. Now this is your h of x. H of x is 1 over 2 to the power x. 1 over 2 to the power x is equal to 8. Now there is a topic called indices that we have to take right now. For this one, the rule says if you have like this, if it is 1 over 2 to the power, let's suppose it is n. So if you take it up, it will become 2 to the power. Mean if you change, if you take it up and bring it down, the sign of this power will change. That will become 2 over 1 to the power minus n. In the same way, in this case, what you can do, for example, if the general rule is this, a over b to the power n. If you write b over a, then the power sign change, it become minus n. So this rule I will use here. It will become 2 over 1 to the power minus x. That is equal to 8. Now, it will become 2 to the power minus x. 1, whatever power of 1 you take will be 1. So that will just become 1. Now, 8. Divide 8 by 2 because you have to make the same basis. 4 again by 2. It means 8 I can write as 2 power 3. Okay. Because in place of 8 you can write 2 power 3. It is 2 by 2 by 2. Okay. Now on both sides you can see the base are same. So power should also be equal. Mean minus x will be equal to 3. So from here I will get x equal to minus 3. I can shift minus 3 on the other side. Remember the rule says if you have a power b equal to a power m. If the bases are equal, then power will also be equal. Then you can say b is equal to m. In this case, actually I have to solve. Remember, whenever variable will be in the power, you will use this technique. You will make the base on the both sides same. On this side it was 2, so on this side I also make 2 by dividing with 2. Okay. It's actually 8 is 2 by 2 by 2. 2 by 2 by 2 mean I can write it 2 power 3. So in place of 8, I write 2 power 3. When on the both sides the base are equal, so power will also be equal. So minus x will be equal to 3. Okay. So this technique will be used here. Got it? Now I think this question I'm leaving for you guys as a homework. It's actually till this one. This is x question. This is a condition where saying x is not equal to 0. So don't think it is a part of the question. Okay. Obviously this one when we will do. So in our next class, inverse function we have to take. This one is f of 1 over x. Okay. You have to write down the value of x when f of 1 over x is equal to 2. Now this is your f of x. First find f of 1 over x. It means in place of x write 1 over x. It will be 4 into 1 over x plus 1. Now it is given it's equal to 2. So in this place you will put it equal to 2 because according to the question f of 1 over x is equal to 2. Okay. So what I will do, first I will take 4 to the other side. It will become 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 2 over 4. Because 4 on this side was multiplying, on the other side it will divide. So that will become 1 over x plus 1 equal to 1 over 2. Now here you have two techniques. One is first take 1 to the other side. It will become 1 over x equal to 1 over 2 minus 1 because if I will shift 1 to the other side. X term on one side without x on the other side. So 1 over x, 1 over 2 minus 1 is minus 1 over 2. Now, single denominator, so you can cross multiply. X into minus 1 equal to 1 into 2. So it will become x minus x equal to 2. Now negative sign you can take to the other side. So x will be equal to minus 2. Okay. Part B is saying find f g of x. So easily you can find You have to try this as homework and let me know if you find any difficulty. This is inverse function. Obviously, when we will do the inverse, so we will solve it. Okay. Now, these two sheets I'm going to send you. Please, you have to complete and must let me know if you find any difficulty in the solution. Okay. Inshallah, on Monday, we will do inverse function, and after the inverse function, we will also start our next topic, which is about what we can say. The next topic will be, mm, 1 second. Yes, direct and inverse proportion. So in our next class, we will take inverse function and then direct and inverse proportion, inshallah. Okay. Please let me know if you find any difficulty in solving these sheets. Right now, I will share them. Okay. So see you on Monday, inshallah, at the same time.